When I was 14, I took a leap into the unknown world of YouTube. Armed with nothing but a passion for tech and desire to create, I started making videos without any planned scripts or stories. From gaming videos to tech tutorials, I followed my gut and did whatever felt right. Even wondered what happened when you just go for it without a plan. Despite my enthusiasm, the story was tough. I uploaded over 100 videos but only managed to get 600 subscribers and 120k views. My confidence wavered, especially. Can you imagine pouring your heart into something and barely seeing results? And slowly my passion for making videos began to fade. Then came a twist in the story. I chose engineering, a path that felt both familiar and exciting. I love solving problems and secured the last seat in computer engineering, my dream branch. But was it really? Something felt incomplete. My mind kept wandering back to YouTube, that my true calling was still out there, waiting for me to pick up the camera again.
Welcome to my guys channel YouTube. हम आगे जा रहे हैं.
But here is the kicker. Even as I dove deeper into my engineering studies, I couldn't shake the feeling that creating videos was where I truly belong. Have you ever felt torn between two paths, not knowing which one to follow? The energy, the creativity, the thrill of sharing my passion with the world, it all kept calling me back. So now I am standing at another crossroads, ready to blend my love for tech and problem solving with my passion for creating content. This time I am determined to make it work, no matter what. Stay tuned because the journey is just beginning. Are you ready to see what happens next?